Oh my gosh, the weather has gone crazy. You got all kinds of tornadoes and hailstorms and everything. And now, spaceweather.com has reported a hyperactive sunspot. It says it's been seeing activity since July 11th, created 8 medium-class solar flares. And of course, what that means to us, if you go down here, it says the rat-tat-tat-tat of solar flares from this new sunspot is causing a rolling series of shortwave radio blackouts at all longitudes of our planet. Ham radio operators, mariners, aviators may have noticed loss of signal below 30 megahertz. So this is really going to mess up shortwave radio for a while. It's been crazy. This particular solar cycle, we can go over here. Here is recent solar cycles, and this is the solar flux index. And it was quiet for a couple years. Shortwave reception was not good. And then solar flux started going up as predicted. The red line is the predicted. But then, man, it took off. It's gone nuts. It's even had one day in December that it was that's not the one. Let me go over just a tad more. Yeah, January of 2023, it had a value of 182, and then it dropped down a little bit, and now it's going back up again. And I can't remember the number, but there are a lot of sunspots which cause this increase in solar flux, which typically is the noise level, the A and the K index, are low. That's good for shortwave. But recently, they've been popping up too, which means a lot of noise on shortwave, and so the transmissions are not getting above the noise. But what they're saying back here is it's going to be a rolling series of shortwave blackouts. So sometimes you're going to get good reception, sometimes you're going to get nothing. So just keep that in mind. Hopefully it'll calm down in a little while, just like our local weather with all our tornadoes and everything. I was watching the Weather Channel last night, in Chicago area was getting a potential of 4 tornadoes at the same time. I don't know the results because I didn't stay up that late, but hang in there. And if you turn on your shortwave radio and it seems dead or just noise, that's the old sun doing it to us. Have a great day. Bye-bye.